Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Luma AI app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store on your phone. Now once you do that, go ahead, look for the search icon with the search bar on your screen. Once you do that, type in Luma AI and tap on search. Now it's gonna suggest you a bunch of Luma AI related apps. Select the one with Luma AI for Gorgeous 3D. Once you do that, you're gonna see one of these four options: Get, Backup, Install or Download. Go ahead and tap on one of those options. Provide with the required details and your phone is going to download the app automatically. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.